Today we're doing Work Glow Pink Chrome Gel X. It's beginner friendly. Let's go. Quick prep, then strengthener and peel off base for easy removal. I'm using OPI Gelavate, which are double-sided micro edge tips that are pre-prepped and ready to go. I am adding a thin strip on the right and left side of the tips, and then I add a small dot in the center. Press the nail on at a 45-degree angle, and then I will press softly until the glue reaches the free edge of my natural nail, and then I will fast cure for 15 seconds. I will do the same steps to the remainder of my nails. Once all the nails are applied, I do a full cure for 60 seconds. I had glue seep under 2 nails, so I'm using my drill on low speed to gently remove the excess, light pressure only. The e-file that I'm using is from Aprés. It is great for beginners like me. I lightly file the tips to keep everything seamless. I'm painting with this pink nude. It's clean, it's soft, and it's work ready. Once everything is painted, I cure for 60 seconds using my Aprés Nova lamp. This soft pink is polished and work ready, perfect for Monday through Friday. It's clean enough for the office, but still cute for after 5. And once the chrome goes on, it gives that little glow that feels grown, classy, and put together without doing the most. Next, I'm applying a thin base coat to help the chrome stick. I'm using the chrome powder from Amazon. I'm starting by rubbing it in with my fingers to press it into the nail and bring out that shine. Then I will go in with the eyeshadow brush to smooth everything out, especially around those edges, so the finish looks even and super glossy. Here's a tip that I pick up along the way. If your chrome looks patchy, add a tiny bit more base coat and then re-rub. I'm focusing on the sidewalls and the tips so it looks even from every angle. Once the chrome is complete, I'm sealing everything in with the top coat. Here's the final look. Soft pink, chrome glow, and still totally work appropriate. I added one tiny gem on the ring finger for a little extra luxury. Thanks for watching. If you love classy nails you can do after work, subscribe. I post twice a week. See you next time.